Hi friends, this video shows how to do system update or software update. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First take a right controller. On right controller, press Meta button which has Meta logo on it. Press that button. Then we get this main menu. On this main menu, select settings. Tap on the settings icon. Select it. Go to system. Select system. Under system, we can find software update. Select software update. Then here you can see software update. On the right side you can see no update available. That means right now this is up to date. If there is an update, you would be able to see that update here. From here you can select that update, then download and install that update. So this way we can check for a software update, then download and install that update into this system. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.